Hello everyone. In my previous video, I gave a brief introduction about various accounts. Now, little in deep, where I will discuss various types of accounts and give the examples of them, like personal account examples, real account examples, and nominal account examples. If you want to know the exact meaning of them and how we use it, you can check out my previous video. The link is in the description. So now let us get into the subject. So classifying various accounts into personal account, real account and nominal account. Firstly, let us see the personal accounts. Personal accounts are accounts of persons with whom a concern carries on business. It means who is carrying out the business. So individual, any natural person account. For example, it can be in any of the names like this: John, Rama, Rahim, Madhu, Abdul, Sharada, Shweta, Chandrika. So these are all the names of the people where the account is carried on. So firstly, if you get any individual's name, it is personal account. Next, any artificial or legal entity created by law. So it can be any bank or stock exchange or any electricity board or any department or any trading concern, anything. So any company, like I have given an example as ABC company, any bank, SBI or Indian Bank, anything, any firms or any stock exchange accounts, clubs, all these are part of personal account because they are legally created by law. Next, third one is representative personal account. They usually represent certain persons behind them. The best way to remember these accounts is to have an prefix where they will have outstanding, prepaid. So for example, it can be outstanding wages, prepaid insurance, outstanding salaries, prepaid advances. So they represent a certain persons behind them. So they are representative personal account. So as of now, there are three types, that is natural, normal people accounts or artificial person created by law or representative personal accounts. These are all the three types of accounts which we come across in personal account. Next, we also have bank overdraft and loan. So bank overdraft also is a part of personal account because it represents an individual. Even the loan, because the loan is given to a individual person and that is being represented. So that's why it is also personal account. Next, let us get into real account. Real account includes the assets. Tangible assets. What do you mean by tangible assets? Tangible assets are which you can touch, feel and see and count. So obviously, machinery account, buildings, stock, investment, livestock, loose tools, bills payable, cash account, land, vehicle, all these are tangible, which you can feel, touch. So these are all the examples of real account. Next, we can see intangible. What do you mean by intangible? Where you cannot see it, but you can only feel it. For example, goodwill. Goodwill is something if someone has good reputation, patent, copyrights, trademarks, royalty. So these are all the things where you can also say intellectual property rights. So these are all a part of intangible assets and this also belongs to real account. Next we have nominal account. Nominal account, we all have expenses incurred for a firm. So they can be wages, salaries, freight. Freight is nothing but transportation related cost, depreciation, donation, rent, stationery, postage stamp or telegraph, sales tax, packing charges, expenses and so on. So donation, because even donation is an expense. So since donation, you also have it as charity. So donation or charity, it is a part of nominal expense where these are all the examples of expenses that can be incurred. Next we have bad debts, goods destroyed by fire. These are the losses. So these are the losses which are a part of nominal account. Then finally you have received, that is dividend received, discount received, appreciation, bad debts recovered, so income. So this is also a part of examples of nominal account. However, we do have one small catch or small thing which we have to consider, where purchase and purchase returns, sales and sales returns are both accounts where it is a part of real and nominal account. We will see why. Purchase account, it is a real account obviously because it is an asset. Purchases are an asset. However, it is also considered as expenses. So purchase account is both real and nominal. Sales account, it is also same thing. Real account because it is an asset. Nominal account because it is an income. It is happening. So sales account both real and nominal. So same thing good holds for purchase returns and sales returns. It can be both real and nominal accounts. So these are the four accounts where you consider them as real and nominal account. So in this video, I have covered maximum number of accounts and given explanation. They can be personal, real or nominal. So if you have any doubts or if you want me to give any other explanation relatively, or if you have anything else to tell me, you can always mail me. So my mail ID is also in description. Thank you.